Hello folks, welcome to our channel Jose. Today we're going to give you an idea how to replace the air filter on a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. And for this, the only tools that we're going to be needing is a T25 or a Torx 25 socket. And we're going to show you how that tool looks like. And with that, we're going to remove a couple bolts and replace the air filter so you don't have to take it to a shop. With that, let's get started. So this is the tool you're going to be needing, or the socket. This is how they look. This is the T27, but we're using the T25. And with that, let's get started. So as you're looking at the front end of the car, right on this area, this is where the air box is, and this is where your air filter is and needs to be replaced. So for that, we have to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 T25 screws, and then we can lift the box, extract our old filter, put the new one, and then put everything back in. So this is where the air comes in, goes into the box, gets purified, and then it goes into the box, into the system of the car. So let's change the filter. So as you can see, we have loosened all the bolts or screws that are around the cover. So now that we have loosened them, but now we can lift half of the shelf, the upper piece, slide the old filter out, and slide the new one in, set it, and then put everything back on, and then tighten our screws or bolts. So now that we have our new filter in, make sure that the shelves are sitting right, and now we can tighten our screws back in so everything goes back as it was. So now we have finished the replacement of this air filter on a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. So one thing I want to say is that when you're tightening these screws, don't over tighten them. Go slowly, because you're threading a bolt or a screw, metal screw, into plastic, and you can damage those threads. So just want to make sure that they're snug, so that way you don't have problems in the future with the seal around the filter and start getting dust into the system. And well folks, this was an idea how you can do the air filter replacement on a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. You can do it yourself. It's pretty simple, and that way you don't have to take it to the shop and pay a lot of money for a simple replacement. And hopefully this video was useful and informative. And for those folks who are watching our video haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. If you like our video, give us thumbs up, share it, and we'll see you soon with more videos here in el canal El Chano Jose.